Hello students, welcome back to our class. Okay, see, I'll continue our lesson production in a factory, a paper mill. Okay, see, all of you have to open the page number in your textbook 90. Okay, 90. See, before starting of the continuation of the lesson, so yesterday what we have learned in the previous chapter about a paper mill. In Telangana, how many we have? Two. Okay, one is in Sirpur and one is in Bhadradri. Paper mills, right? So, and what we have learned, how what are the raw materials do we need for the making of the paper, and where are the paper mills will be located, and which type of raw materials need for the paper mill, okay, for the paper industry, right? And we have learned the process of paper making. So how many stages are there in paper making? 5 stages. Okay, see, chipping and making of wood pulp, okay, and spreading the pulp, pressing, drying and rolling and cutting, okay. And we have learned about the working batches, okay, and we have learned yesterday that working hours and about shift, okay. See, yesterday I have told you the paper mill works how many hours? 24 hours, okay. Paper mill works 24 hours. So that 24 hours, how they changed the, see, that 24 hours they arranged as in 3 shifts, A, B, C, okay. The time duration also I have told you yesterday. So night shifts will get more allowances as I said yesterday, okay. See, but weekly once the shifts will be changed, okay. A shift will be go to the B shift timings, okay. Means whoever work for example, whoever one of the employee will work this week in A shift. In the next week, you have to be work for the B shift. Coming next week, you have to be work in the C shift. It means night time. Okay. So these shifts will become changed gradually weekly. Okay. See. And what about the administration staff? Admin staff, but their timings are 9:30 a.m. to the 5 p.m. Okay. Right. And so these admin staff have to be look at all the work in the mill. Okay. What are the works? Management works, account works, trades and sales. Okay. All of this work done by the administration staff. And they have to be look at the HR rules. Okay. They have to be look at the even employees problems and employees working areas and all. Okay. This all comes under administration staff. So what are their timings? 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. They have to become regularly. And next, see, our next topic is selling the paper. See, we have learnt about the raw materials, what we need and how they are working and what are the stages the paper making, right? So after the paper prepared, what we will do with that? We have to be sell that paper, right? In the so how the selling the paper? See, for that every mill, for every paper mill factory have their marketing depots in some areas. Okay. From that marketing depots, they will sell the papers, and they will sell the papers to the some of other countries also. In Sri Lanka, Nigeria, they will sell the papers. Malaysia, Nepal, Singapore, okay, Bangladesh. They are exporting these papers to the other countries also. Okay, and developed roadways and railways are very helpful to the transporting the materials. Okay, even in the waterways also they can transport, even in the airways by using of the cargoes also transport can be done by the airways to the other countries. Okay, see, our next topic is working in employees. Okay, about employees. See, if we see, if you assume in any area or else any school or else any place, many kinds of work are there and many kinds of people will be working there in their places. Yes or no? So like that, in this paper industry also many kinds of work and many people will be work. Many employees will be work. Okay. See, different kinds of work of employees are here. Okay. See, what kind of the works? See, some work on machines, some help them, and some take care of electrical fittings, and some work on machines. Okay, using of machines. Some work on cleaning of all the floors and machines when it is in a dust. Okay, and some of the engineers, great engineers and educated people. Okay, they will see, look after that machines how to be work, and administration staff to look out all that total infrastructure of that building and infrastructure of the missions. Okay, and some kind of work to be welfares and problems which is faced by the employees, that all comes under into the human resource managers. Okay, and okay, so these many workers will be qualified engineers and some of the professionals by using in the missions who are, you know, ITI studied people and polytechnic studied people are very very qualified in doing of the mission workings. Okay, see, so coming to all, we have to know about these kinds of works are there, and these many kinds of the employees are there in the factory, right? So in this, if we want to learn clearly and without any confusions, there are 3 types in a paper mill. Okay, not only in a paper mill, in any of a huge factories, there are 3 more kinds of workers are there. Okay, so in that, permanent workers, contract workers. Okay, another one is casual workers. Okay, casual workers, and then this casual workers and daily basis workers also there. Okay, but now we have to learn about each and every workers and what they will get the benefits, which type of works they will do. Okay, and what type of works they are and how much eligible, like that all will discuss in this. Okay, and I am telling you, this is so important question. Differentiate between the permanent workers and the contract workers from 2 years onwards. In every exam, this question is coming. So, and if you listen now, you can write orally also. So that much easy here. Okay, you have to be concentrate. See, permanent workers. Here in this lesson, they have given an example about a Suraj. Suraj is an employee in the paper mill. Okay, he is a permanent worker in that paper mill. Okay, so what kind of the work he will do, what kind of benefits he will get, we will see now. Okay, see, Suraj is in a permanent workers. He is working in this paper mill 10 years, more than years. Okay, whoever crossed 10 years in the working of that mill, they treated as a permanent workers. So here Suraj also have experience in this mill more than 10 years. Okay, see, so in which section he is working then? Pressing section. Okay, paper pressing sections. They have the 5 stages of process of paper now. So in that he is working in pressing section. So is he have a uniform of that paper mill? Yes, permanent workers have permanent workers have uniform. Okay, and they have that same color of khaki pant and blue shirt. Okay, blue shirt and khaki pant they wore. Okay, and so what are the benefits Suraj is getting in this paper mill or factory? much he is getting? 15,000 per month. And he is getting medical insurances if he fallen sick. Okay, if he fallen sick, that all he have to be go to the ESI hospitals and he will get the free medicines. Okay, and if it is if he faced any accidents also, he will get the compensation. Okay, he will get the compensation from the company, and as well as he will get the PF. PF means nothing but Provident Fund. Provident Fund nothing but for monthly the company will be share some of the amount, and the employee also gives some of the amount. It will be stored in a bank account. Okay, when he retires he will get monthly okay, monthly some of the amount. Okay, that is PF and ESI. Okay, ESI also he will get, and sometimes some years frequently he will get the bonus also. Okay, bonus is nothing but they will get some more salary. Okay, some more salary means not every month. Some years when they will get the benefits, or also when they will get the profits, when they will get more, when they will get the more sales. Okay, at that time company will be offer the bonus to the employees. Okay, only for permanent workers only they will get the bonus. Okay, and they will get the yearly increments. Increments is nothing but they will get some of the increase of salary in the next year. Year to year they will get the increasing of their salary. That we are calling as the term increments. And paid leaves. Okay, paid leaves. He has paid leaves. If we in monthly two or one, if he absent or not work in the factory also, he will get for that day also amount. That we are calling as paid leaves. And regular holidays, weekly ones, regular holiday, and as well as for the occasions also he will get the holidays. Okay, and uniform allowances. For uniform, for buying of that uniform and maintaining of that uniform also he will get the allowances. See, these many kinds of these many allowances got by the permanent workers in the company. See, once again I am repeating you. Who will be treated as a permanent worker? Who crossed 10 years, more than 10 years in same of the company, they will be treated as permanent workers. Okay, understood? Next, contract workers. Okay, another kind of the employees in the paper mill, contract workers. Here they gave the example about the Chandu. Okay, here they gave the example about Chandu. Just names may change or may not, but for understanding us, they gave him the name here, Chandu. See, Chandu, which type of work will be doing that paper mill? Unloading the trucks, packing and loading the paper bags. Okay, loading and unloading. Okay, unloading of the trucks, whatever the carried bamboo sticks and all, no? That, and packings, of course it's done by the cranes as I told you yesterday, and as well as sometimes by the employees also it may done. Okay, not only the bamboo sticks, many raw materials will come, right? By using the cranes, only bamboo sticks or wood will be only unloading. Remaining trucks also will bring the raw materials, right? That type of works done by the contract workers, and he will be do another work, packing also. Okay, and loading of that papers whatever they produced, right? So that type of work done by the contract workers. So these contract, how much do they get the salary per month? Only 8,000 per month. Okay, how much? 8,000 per month. Okay, see, comparing to the permanent workers, the contract workers are getting very less salary. Okay, very less salary. And do they get any allowances or also any benefits as like permanent workers? No. Okay, contract workers did not get any allowances. Okay, they do not get any allowances, no bonus and no paid leaves also. Okay, if they absent or else if they did not work at any day, they'll cut off the day and remaining salary they'll hand it over to the Chandu. Means like contract workers. Okay, and he do not have any of the increments. Okay, he do not will get any compensations. Okay, he did not get any PF enrolled, no medical insurances like that. Okay, no any allowances from the company to the contract workers. Okay, this Chandu is working in the paper mill from nearly 7 to 8 years. So, can you tell me when he will become a permanent workers? When Chandu is which type of work, which kind of work here? Casual worker, yes or no? Right. So, this Chandu working in this paper mill from 7 to 8 years as a contract workers. Now, I am asking you, okay, when he will be get a permanent worker? See, after 2-3 years, he will be getting a permanent work and he will be get all the allowances. Okay, like that. Next, we have to discuss about the